Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from the Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives, FII's activity, index actionable, sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end. Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and to start with our first segment for Tuesday, 7th May 2024. Nifty index opened positive above 22,550 zones, but continued weakness from the previous session. It moved in a range of 150 points throughout the day and witnessed swings within a range, although it respected 22,400 as a crucial support zone. India VIX was up by 13.5% to 16.6. Nifty put-call ratio decreased to 0.85. Volatility spiked to around 17 and created swings in the market. And along with this, a fall in the put-call ratio indicates that upside may remain capped. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 22,000 to 23,000 zones, while immediate range is in between 22,300 to 22,700. Moving on to the second segment, in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 2,169 crores, while DIIs were net buyers worth 781 crores. FII's index long-short ratio marginally increased to 45.5%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggests Nifty has to cross and hold above 22,500 to extend the move towards 22,650, then 22,794, while support is seen at 22,350, then 22,222. Bank Nifty has to continue to hold above 48,888 for an up move towards 49,250, then 49,500. While on the downside, support is seen at 48,650, then 48,500. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive stance was seen in realty, FMCG and selective IT stocks, while profit booking in most of the other sectors. Now, stocks to keep on radar are ABB and Siemens from the capital goods space, which has given a consolidation breakout on weekly and is forming higher lows on the daily frame. McDowell is holding well above 1200 and upside swing could be seen here in this stock. M&M from the selective auto stocks which are holding strength, and this stock is heading towards a new lifetime high territory. Wish you a great trading day ahead. For more such detailed analysis, don't forget to follow this podcast. This is Shivangi Sarda signing off. Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.